Welcome to this comprehensive guide on why to use Revolut family accounts. As a parent or guardian, managing your family's finances can be challenging. But with Revolut family accounts, you can take control of your family's spending and savings. First, let's start with the basics. Revolut family accounts allow you to create a single account that can be managed by multiple users, including yourself, your partner, and your children. This account can be used for everyday spending, savings, and even investing. One of the key benefits of using Revolut family accounts is the ability to set spending limits and track your children's expenses. You can create separate cards for each child and set daily or weekly spending limits to help them learn how to budget and manage their money. You can also receive real-time notifications whenever a transaction is made, giving you complete visibility and control over your family's spending. Another benefit of Revolut family accounts is the ability to teach your children about money management. By giving them their own card and account, you can help them learn how to save, spend, and budget responsibly. You can also use the account to pay allowances, pocket money, or even reward them for completing chores or achieving milestones. In addition to spending and savings, Revolut family accounts also offer a range of other features, including real-time exchange rates, fee-free spending abroad, and even investment options. This means that you can use the account to manage your family's finances, whether you're at home or traveling abroad. To get started with Revolut family accounts, simply download the Revolut app and create an account. From there, you can add your family members and create separate cards and accounts for each user. You can also set spending limits, track expenses, and receive real-time notifications. In conclusion, Revolut family accounts offer a convenient and flexible way to manage your family's finances. By using these accounts, you can take control of your family's spending and savings, teach your children about money management, and even invest for the future. Whether you're a parent, guardian, or simply looking for a better way to manage your family's finances, Revolut family accounts are definitely worth considering.